Welcome to the world of luxury motorhomes where travel meets the comfort and elegance of a private mansion. These extraordinary homes on wheels combine premium craftsmanship, advanced technology, and breathtaking interiors to create unforgettable journeys. From spacious living areas and designer finishes to powerful performance and innovative features, these motorhomes redefine what it means to explore the open road. Join us as we discover some of the most incredible luxury motorhomes that bring a true mansion experience wherever the adventure begins. Brings a fresh perspective to premium motorhome travel by combining modern design with everyday practicality. Built on the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis and paired with a smooth 9G-tronic automatic transmission, it delivers a refined driving experience for long-distance adventures. Inside, the spacious layout features a flat floor and over 2 meters of standing height, creating an open and comfortable living environment. Buyers can choose between different floor plans, including a welcoming face-to-face lounge or a traditional seating arrangement to match their travel style. The elegant Matara olive interior blends warm wood finishes, subtle textures, and contemporary details for a sophisticated atmosphere. Smart Connect technology allows convenient digital control of selected vehicle functions, adding extra convenience while on the road. A large rear garage provides generous storage for travel essentials, making every journey more organized. The Hymer GT-S combines comfort, innovation, and thoughtful design into one exceptional touring experience. Marchi Mobile Element Palazzo represents an extraordinary vision of luxury motorhome design, combining advanced engineering with bold futuristic styling. Inspired by aircraft, superyachts, and modern architecture, its distinctive panoramic cockpit creates a striking appearance while providing excellent visibility for the driver. Built on a heavy-duty commercial chassis with an engine producing up to 600 horsepower, it delivers impressive capability for long-distance travel. Expandable slide-outs transform the interior into a spacious living environment, offering the comfort of a luxury apartment on wheels. Owners can personalize nearly every detail, including premium furnishings, handcrafted finishes, leather upholstery, and advanced entertainment features. One of its most remarkable options is the Sky Lounge, an electronically raised rooftop terrace that provides elevated outdoor seating with panoramic views. Intelligent onboard systems manage lighting, climate, water, and power for added convenience. The Element Palazzo showcases innovation, craftsmanship, and sophisticated design, creating an exceptional travel experience wherever the journey leads. The 2027 Integra Coach Condor Class C motorhome combines compact dimensions with premium comfort, making it an appealing choice for modern travelers. Built on either the Ford Transit 350 HD AWD or Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 3500 AWD chassis, it offers confident all-wheel drive capability and enhanced stability through the Easy Drive Elite handling system. Inside, the intelligently designed cabin maximizes available space with convertible twin rear beds, a functional galley, a flexible dining area, and an integrated wet bath. High-quality cabinetry, elegant finishes, and clever storage solutions create a refined residential atmosphere throughout the interior. Outside, a powered awning expands the living space, while a heated rear garage provides secure storage for travel equipment and outdoor gear. Roof-mounted utility systems, including available solar support, improve convenience during extended adventures. The 2027 Condor blends smart engineering, efficient design, and everyday practicality, delivering a comfortable and capable motorhome experience for every journey ahead. Renegade RV Super C combines commercial-grade strength with premium comfort, creating a motorhome designed for long-distance adventures. Built on durable Freightliner truck chassis, models including the Verona, Explorer, Classic, and XL deliver confident performance, impressive towing capability, and dependable reliability. Inside, handcrafted hardwood cabinetry, solid surface countertops, residential appliances, and stylish furnishings create a refined living environment. Spacious slide-outs expand the interior, providing generous room for relaxing, dining, and entertaining while traveling. Multiple floor plans offer features such as king-size bedrooms, full bathrooms, large kitchens, and abundant storage for extended trips. Advanced electrical systems, efficient climate control, and quality insulation help maintain comfort in a variety of weather conditions. Modern technology and thoughtful engineering enhance convenience throughout every journey. The Renegade RV Super C blends durability, luxury, and functionality into one impressive package, delivering a spacious and comfortable home on wheels for travelers seeking exceptional adventure and everyday convenience. 2027 Thor Motor Coach Quantum KW29 combines modern comfort with practical design, offering a well-equipped Class C motorhome for memorable road trips. Built on the dependable Ford E-Series chassis and powered by a 7.3-litre V8 engine, it delivers reliable performance and confident handling. Thor's smooth tech suspension system enhances ride quality, making long journeys more comfortable. Inside, dual slide-outs create a spacious living area featuring a rear king-size bed, leatherette theatre seating, a dream dinette, and a fully equipped kitchen for everyday convenience. Premium hardwood cabinetry, solid surface countertops, and contemporary finishes provide a refined residential atmosphere throughout the interior. Modern technology includes a touchscreen infotainment system, backup camera, and exterior entertainment options, while generous storage keeps travel essentials organized. An exterior patio awning extends the living space outdoors, making every stop more enjoyable. The Quantum KW29 blends thoughtful engineering, comfort, functionality, and style into one impressive travel companion. Fleetwood Frontier GTX is a luxury Class A diesel motorhome designed to deliver comfort, performance, and modern convenience for extended travel. Built on a Freightliner custom chassis and powered by a Cummins B 6.7 turbo diesel engine paired with an Allison automatic transmission, it offers smooth highway driving and dependable capability. Inside, spacious slide-outs create an open living area featuring handcrafted cabinetry, solid surface countertops, stylish furnishings, and premium residential finishes. A fully equipped kitchen, comfortable lounge, private bedroom, and elegant bathroom provide the feel of a modern home on the road. Large panoramic windows fill the interior with natural light, while advanced climate control and power management systems enhance year-round comfort. Generous basement storage accommodates travel essentials for longer adventures, and modern connectivity features keep travelers connected wherever they go. The Fleetwood Frontier GTX combines thoughtful engineering, luxury, and functionality into an exceptional motorhome built for unforgettable journeys together. STX2 Pop-Outs and Garage is a premium motorhome created for travelers who want both luxury and versatility in one vehicle. Available on Mercedes-Benz Actros, Scania S500, or Scania 5.8 platforms, it offers strong performance and a durable foundation for extended touring. A unique integrated rear garage provides space for carrying a small car, making local transportation easier after arriving at a destination. Dual slide-outs expand the interior, creating an open living area with a contemporary design and comfortable atmosphere. The kitchen is equipped with modern appliances, generous storage, and practical workspace for preparing meals on the road. A stylish bathroom includes high-end fixtures that add everyday comfort. Smart onboard systems manage lighting, power, and climate efficiently, while available features such as solar panels, hydraulic leveling, and premium entertainment options allow owners to customize the motorhome to match their travel preferences and lifestyle. Nexus Wraith 35F is a Super C motorhome designed to deliver a balance of durability, comfort, and practical living for extended road trips. Built on a heavy-duty commercial truck platform, it offers reliable performance, impressive towing capability, and a smooth driving experience for long-distance travel. The spacious interior is expanded by dual slide-outs, creating an open layout with comfortable seating, a functional kitchen, and a private sleeping area. High-quality finishes, residential-style furnishings, and efficient storage solutions provide a welcoming atmosphere throughout the cabin. A well-equipped bathroom and multiple sleeping spaces make it suitable for families or groups exploring together. Exterior storage compartments offer ample room for luggage, camping equipment, and outdoor gear, while integrated electrical and utility systems support comfortable travel away from traditional campsites. The Wraith 35F combines smart design, everyday convenience, and dependable capability, making it a versatile motorhome built for memorable adventures on every journey. Gulfstream BT Cruiser 5210 shows how intelligent design can create a comfortable and efficient motorhome without requiring a large footprint. Built on the Ford E350 chassis with a powerful 7.3-litre V8 engine, it offers reliable performance while remaining easy to handle on different types of roads. Inside, the compact layout maximizes available space with a practical kitchen, comfortable seating, flexible sleeping arrangements, and a convenient rear bathroom. Stylish finishes, quality cabinetry, and smart storage solutions create a welcoming home-like atmosphere. Designed for modern travelers, it includes features such as a tankless water heater, efficient air conditioning, LED-lit power awning, and optional solar capabilities for greater travel flexibility. Durable construction with strong materials helps support long-term adventures. The BT Cruiser 5210 proves that luxury travel is not only about size, but also about thoughtful features, comfort, and the freedom to explore anywhere with confidence. Hymer VisionVenture concept represents a futuristic approach to luxury travel, combining advanced technology, smart design, and sustainable ideas in one innovative motorhome. Built on the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 4x4 platform, this concept explores new possibilities for life on the road with a unique aerodynamic exterior and lightweight construction methods. Its inflatable pop-top roof creates an additional sleeping area quickly while improving space and comfort. Inside, the unconventional layout maximizes functionality with integrated storage, a compact kitchen, and a versatile living area. A rear lounge can transform into an outdoor terrace, offering a unique connection with nature during adventures. Solar panels help increase independence, making extended journeys more practical. The VisionVenture concept is not just a camper design, but a glimpse into the future of mobile living, where innovation, comfort, and intelligent engineering come together to create a new generation of luxury travel experiences. Cruiser 950 LSA is a premium motorhome created for travelers who desire the comfort and elegance of a luxury home while exploring the open road. Built on a powerful Mercedes-Benz Atego platform, it combines dependable performance with a carefully designed living environment. The raised sleeping section provides additional comfort while allowing the main cabin to maintain a spacious and welcoming feel. Inside, the motorhome features a beautifully arranged interior with a relaxing lounge, modern kitchen, refined bathroom, and comfortable sleeping area. High-quality materials, smart storage spaces, and advanced heating solutions make it suitable for long journeys in different conditions. Safety technology from Mercedes-Benz adds confidence while driving, and practical features like the rear storage garage increase travel convenience. The Concorde Cruiser 950 LSA showcases how thoughtful design, craftsmanship, and innovation can transform a motorhome into a luxurious mobile retreat built for extraordinary adventures. Adria Coral XL is a spacious motorhome built for travelers who want the convenience of a comfortable home while exploring new destinations. Developed with family adventures in mind, it offers a practical layout, modern styling, and smart solutions for life on the road. Based on the Fiat Ducato platform, it provides dependable driving performance combined with a durable structure designed for long-term use. The interior creates a welcoming environment with generous living space, comfortable sleeping areas, a functional kitchen, and a well-designed bathroom. Large windows bring in natural light, while efficient insulation and climate systems help maintain comfort throughout the year. Thoughtful storage areas, including a spacious rear compartment, make it easy to carry essential gear for extended trips. The Adria Coral XL blends comfort, practicality, and contemporary design, delivering a versatile travel experience that allows families and adventurers to enjoy every journey with confidence and BENIVAN B190 is a compact camper van designed to deliver comfort, flexibility, and smart functionality for modern travelers. Built on the dependable Fiat Ducato platform, it offers an efficient layout that makes excellent use of its available space. Its clever interior design includes a versatile sleeping arrangement, a practical kitchen, a comfortable dining area, and a well-equipped bathroom, creating a convenient environment for longer trips. The electrically operated roof bed adds extra sleeping capacity while keeping the main cabin open and spacious. Additional features such as an outdoor shower, efficient heating, quality insulation, and useful storage areas make it suitable for different adventures throughout the year. With its stylish design and intelligent solutions, the BENIVAN B190 shows how a smaller motorhome can still provide impressive comfort and freedom. It represents a perfect combination of practicality, modern living, and travel independence. Nevis Series 800 represents a refined approach to luxury motorhome living, combining Italian design, modern technology, and impressive comfort. Built on the Fiat Ducato platform, it offers a smooth driving experience with a bright and open cabin created by its panoramic windshield. The integrated design connects the driving area with the living space, giving the interior a spacious and elegant atmosphere. Premium furnishings, stylish lighting, and high-quality finishes create a welcoming residential feel. The well-equipped kitchen, relaxing lounge, comfortable sleeping areas, and practical bathroom provide everything needed for extended journeys. Advanced systems improve convenience, while efficient insulation supports comfortable travel throughout different seasons. A large heated garage adds valuable storage space for adventure equipment and travel essentials. The McLewis Nevis Series 800 combines sophistication, functionality, and innovation, delivering a luxurious home on wheels designed for unforgettable experiences wherever the road leads. Paradise Oasis AWD combines adventure-ready performance with the comfort and elegance of a luxury home on wheels. Built on the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter all-wheel drive platform, this premium motorhome is designed for travelers who want freedom beyond traditional roads. Its compact size allows easier handling while maintaining a spacious and refined interior. A powered rear bed extension creates a comfortable sleeping area, while the cabin features leather seating, custom storage, a modern kitchen, and a private bathroom with a separate shower. Advanced battery technology, solar support, double glazed windows, and efficient insulation help provide greater independence during extended trips. Safety features from Mercedes-Benz add confidence on every journey. The Paradise Oasis AWD proves that a smaller motorhome can still deliver impressive luxury, smart design, and reliable capability. It is a versatile travel companion created for exploring new destinations with comfort and confidence.